So variables in any programming language are used to store the data inside that. So we can declare a variable like a is equal to 1, or number is equal to 2, or number is underscore 1 is equal to 3, or number underscore 1 2 3 is equal to 4. All these variable names are valid. Always remember that variable name should start with a character. It can have underscores and literal numbers also, but always it should start with a character. So always give the useful name to the variables, and we can reassign the values dynamically. So we can reassign. Let us first print a. Now the a value is 1. Now we will reassign the values to the variable a is equal to 4. Now if we print the value a, now it is 4. So we can dynamically change the values inside the variables. So we can give the any variable like integer or the string, which is Peter. Let us say C is equal to any decimal number which is float. So in any other programming language like Java, C++ or C, we should have to first declare the variable type. Like to store the name Peter in the variable B, we should have to first declare the variable B as a character, char. But here C, Python is a dynamic programming language. So according to the result which we are storing inside the variable, it will decide what type of variable it is. So now we can say like print a comma b comma c, and we can also operate like a plus b. So why it is showing error? B is a string here and a is a integer. We cannot add integer to the string. So let us say one a plus c, a plus c. A plus c is 46.45. So the integers and floats can be added, and the result is also a floating point, decimal point. So let us declare now like a is equal to, always remember this, 1, b is equal to 2. Can you tell me that whether we can add both this or not? Let us see. Actually it will give error because we have declared a as a, we are giving it 1, but we are treating the 1 as a string. Anything which comes under the quotations will be treated as a string. So this is an error. So for this we have a function called int a. First we should have to convert the value. Now a is a character type. We should have to convert it into the integer type, and we should have to add both. So for this what we will do, print, and then first we will convert. There is a function called int, and now plus b. If it, now the result is 3. First we have converted and then added to the b. Like this we can use the variables. So always I suggest use the variable names, very useful. Like when you are writing a code for students, always write a useful variable names like student underscore name is equal to John, and student underscore age is equal to 32, student underscore percentage is equal to 87.45. Now we can print all those things using the comma separator. student underscore name comma student underscore age comma student underscore percentage. Typo error age. See, this is how we will declare a variable and assign the values to them. So until now what we have done, we have dynamically allocated or initialized the variable inside our program itself. But in the next video we will be asking the user to enter the name from the keyboard, and that we will be storing in the variables and we will be printing those variables. So until now what you have learned, keep practicing. It is very fun, and we will be seeing you in the next video.